Hi guys, welcome back. Let's learn how to easily cancel a pre-order on your iPhone or iPad. Pre-ordering apps, games or media on your iPhone or iPad is a pretty convenient way to get access to content as soon as it has been rolled out. But what if your plans change or you decide you no longer want the item? Well, fortunately, Apple makes it easy to cancel pre-orders directly from your iPhone or iPad. In this handsome guide, I'll show you how it's done the right way. So first we have to launch the App Store app on your iPhone or iPad. And then you have to tap on your profile located at the top right corner of the screen. After that, you have to tap on your name to proceed. You may need to sign into your Apple account and password, so make sure to do it. Then you have to tap on pre-orders for pre-orders or tap Apple Arcade Games coming soon for arcade games. It's worth pointing out that if you can't see pre-orders or arcade games coming soon option, you don't have any pre-orders at all, so don't bother about it at all. Canceling a pre-order on your iPhone or iPad is simple, giving you full control over your purchases before they go live. By following these quick steps, you can avoid unwanted changes and make sure your Apple ID only contains the content you truly want. So always double check your pre-orders to stay on top of your digital purchases, and I'll catch you up in the next one.